and I'm here with the portable air compressor from Xiaomi. It's the second version. I'm going to show you all the details here, how it works, and I'm also going to test it in practice for you to see how it works, and I'm going to show you how to buy it at a discount on AliExpress. So let's take it out of the box here. It already has some accessories. It comes with a little bag to store it, and here's the compressor with the manual. So it's here. It looks like a padlock here, right? There are the control buttons here, plus, minus. There's the light button here, and the select button. There is the lantern here. You charge it here with a USB-C cable, okay? It's a USB-C connection. You can use a cell phone charger, for example. It's very well finished, the buttons that seem to be comfortable, and there are here some holes that help in the ventilation of the device. There is no on-off button. So to activate that, you just disconnect here the hose, and automatically it will turn on, okay? Here is the battery icon. It is here on the screen. Initially, it is in free mode, where I can use the plus or minus button. It's at 36 psi. It goes up to 150, which is the maximum. Select freely. Let's test it here to see if it goes there. Just press and leave it tight here, and it goes up. It was up to 150. So, if you want to calibrate your tire there, inflate the tire in a way. Here in free mode, you just select here the pressure you want to put on the tire and activate the middle button here. Let's say here I'm going to put 35 psi on the tire, so I'm going to press here this button. It turns on and it will stop when it reaches 35 set. I don't know if you noticed there, it seems very quiet, okay? It's pretty quiet compared to other compressors out there. And here then, let's look at the other modes. It has 5 preset modes. This first one is for bicycle tires, so it comes here with 45 side eye. The minimum here is 30 TL psi. And the maximum, 56 for bicycle. Next mode is for motorcycle. It is in bar. To change to psi, you press this button here on the right. Keep it pressed. It changes to psi. So for motorcycles, it comes with 35 by default, at least 26, at most 43. That's what is used on average for motorcycle. For cars, it comes in bars too. Then press the right button and keep it pressed. Change to CII and keep 36 SI as default. 26 at least. And 50 at most. Now, here, electric scooter comes with 50. In this mode here, the minimum 45 watts. At most 60. And the last mode here, the ball mode, is inside at least 4. Maximum 16 is the guiding. In these predefined modes, it already has this margin, a minimum and a maximum, which you can choose. For example, you're going to fill a ball. To avoid putting too much pressure until the ball bursts there. So, you already have this predefined margin. If you put it here in free mode, you can put whatever you want. If you put too much pressure on a ball or tire, it may even burst. On this button, here on the left, there's the symbol of the lantern. Press once, turn on the flashlight. In the second, it blinks. So, he also has these accessories here, the nozzles, right? There's this adapter here. There's this one for the ball. And there's a quick connection for tire as well. How do you use this here? You can connect directly on the car tire also here. But it's more practical to use this nib, just like those that you have at gas station. You're just going to screw it in here. Connect there in the tire, and press here that it is much more practical. One detail here, folks, check it out. It supports up to 150 psi, as I had said. It is also very light. It weighs 490 grams. It has the 2000 mAh lithium battery. And it works with 5 volts, 2 amps. I forgot to talk about the bag here too, right? This little bag that is used for you to store your compressor there and have it with you in the light holder of your car in the corner of the trunk. There it is always with you. It is also important, or even when you are going to practice a sport, to inflate a ball. It has numerous ways of use. And I'm going to show you now in practice the device working. We will measure the time to calibrate and also to inflate the tire from scratch. So let's go. I'm here now with this bike tire. It's empty, almost empty. So let's calibrate it here. There is the inscription here on the tire that it asks for 40 CUI. So let's plug in here. I'm going to put it here in bike mode. Just decrease it a little bit here to 40, showing to see here. Perfect, it's already ready. Let's see how it turned out. It is totally full. So a minute practically there, and he already put 40 psi on the tire. I'm here now with a soccer ball. It's quite empty, so let's fill it up. Put the nozzle here. Oh. I'm going to put it here in ball mode. I'm going to put it here 9 psi. It already filled up here. It's too quick to fill a ball. I plugged it in here now on the tire of the car. He's marking that he's 28 pounds. I want to put it to 33. But I'm going to time it here for you. So, a minute there to calibrate the tire very quickly. Now, here I'm going to deflate the tire completely. I'm totally flat here now, so I'm going to put it here in car mode. I'm going to plug in here. See what the pressure is. If there's anything left, it's 0. I'm going to put here then 30 psi, which is what I normally use. So, it's done. He then lifted the tire in approximately 6 minutes, from 0 to 30 psi, around 6 minutes. Very quickly. Let me see the device here. It didn't heat up at all. It didn't get hot at all. Perfect. That's all, folks. Now, click on the link in the video description. If you are new to AliExpress, download the app. Check out the product offer here. You can click here to buy. Don't forget to also check out the discount coupon here in the video description. Why? On the next pages you can enter the coupon and already guarantee your discount on the purchase of this product. Okay, I'll write in the comments what you think. Leave your like, and see you next time.